Hi, I'm Dr. Ritesh, consultant laparoscopic surgeon working in Jyotsna Hospital, Bangalore. We provide quality surgical care for all patients, and we have a surgical team which caters to all the regular surgical services available and affordable by common man. Let's talk about hemorrhoids. So, hemorrhoids is also referred to as piles by common man. Before talking to what is abnormal in a patient, let's talk to you about what is normal. So normally there are vascular cushions in your anal region which help the stools to come out in a normal fashion. When these vascular cushions become swollen or there is something wrong with them which allows the patient to undergo some kind of pain or some kind of bleeding due to any cut being in those hemorrhoids, in those vascular cushions, these are called hemorrhoids or piles as referred to a common man. So what do these do? How do they occur and what types are these? So coming to types, these are two types. One is internal and one is external. So internal piles and external piles. What are internal piles? Internal piles are hemorrhoids or vascular cushions that swell up inside the anal region. That is, they did not come out of the anal region. So these cause profuse bleeding sometimes. While passing motion or after you have passed motion, you will see a bright red colored discharge coming out after you pass stools. So what is external piles or external hemorrhoids? The prolapse, that means the swelling that cannot be contained in the anal region and sags due to gravity, that comes out as an external hemorrhoid. External hemorrhoid is nothing but internal hemorrhoids which prolapse outside and come out of the anal region. Okay, these are the types. Coming to the causes for each. What causes piles or hemorrhoids? There are various causes for the so-called pathological condition called piles. What happens? We increase the internal abdominal pressure by lifting anything heavy or by eating something that we cannot sustain, and this causes obesity. So due to that also we have piles. Sometimes due to sitting for a prolonged periods of time on your commode also causes piles. Sometimes due to your blood pressure being high or the intra-abdominal pressure causing portal hypertension or increased blood pressure in your body, these also can cause piles. Okay, so these come out as external hemorrhoids. These are the most common causes. Coming to diagnosis, how do you usually diagnose whether a person has piles or no? Usually most of the patients walking into the hospital do not know what piles or hemorrhoids exactly is. What they refer to as piles or hemorrhoids is anything to do with your anal region that is not normal. So if they are going to pass blood, they call it piles. If they are going to have a swelling, they are going to call it piles. If they have anything to do with constipation or they are not passing stools, they will call it piles. Or sometimes if they are unable to generally come out in public or get it examined by a surgeon, they just say that they might be having something to do with piles. So piles is properly diagnosed only by examination. What examination are we going to do? First is a visual examination. First we are going to look at the anal region of a patient and see if the patient genuinely has piles or hemorrhoids, or if the patient is suffering from trivial conditions like fissure where there is a small cut in the anal region causing a little bit of bleeding or a little bit of discomfort along with pain during or after passing stools. So once we have a look at it, that is visual examination, we will figure out if the patient has got external piles or no. Because for an internal piles examination, we will have to do a digital rectal examination where we put one finger inside the anal region and figure out if the person is suffering from swollen vascular cushions, also called as piles, or no. The third examination that we do is through a anoscopy, where we put a scope inside your anal region and look for any internal piles that can later cause problems by prolapsing outside or can be treated through medication. So these are the types and how we examine. Finally coming to diagnosis. So once we diagnose, what is supposed to be done about these piles or hemorrhoids? We at Jyotsna Hospital are trained professionals in surgical proctological cases. So we handle piles, hemorrhoids in a very clean-cut manner. We have a variety of surgical remedies for piles and hemorrhoids. Do come and visit us at Jyotsna Hospital to learn more about the types of hemorrhoidectomy that is to be done, where we remove the piles completely, either singularly through open method or completely as a bunch through either stapler hemorrhoidectomy or laser hemorrhoidectomy. Thank you.